Well, hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons, and today we're going to be replacing a water filter in an LG refrigerator. Our family renovates houses, and we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. The first thing you'll need to do is pick up a replacement water filter. You can figure out which one you need by going into your refrigerator, and you can look for your model number. The model number should be right over here on a sticker. The other thing you can do, so on this model, our water filter is located in the left door. All you got to do is take off this little tray here, and that just pops up, and there's the water filter right there. So you know which water filter to get. You pull it out a little bit. You can look for the filter's ID number. It should be right there on the front. I took a photo with my camera so I could see the number and get the replacement filter. On this filter, the model number is right there, and it's ADQ747935. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're going to put a link in the description to this very filter. But be sure to check your model and filter number to make sure you get the right one. Okay, so we're going to remove the old filter by pulling this out. We're going to turn it counterclockwise, and then we just gently pull it out. Okay, when you get the new filter out of the package, it's going to have this little protective cap, so just pop that cap off. We're going to insert the new filter into the housing, and then just turn it clockwise. Turn it clockwise until it goes into position, and swing the filter back into its housing. You'll know you have it in the correct position. There's an arrow here on this housing, and it lines up with this tab that's on the filter. And we'll put the little door tray back on. All right, so now we're going to purge the line of any trapped air, and we're also going to remove the sediment by running the water, quite a bit of water actually, so 2.5 gallons. So we're going to fill this container up 5 times. LG recommends that you replace your water filter about every 6 months. They also recommend using a genuine LG replacement filter. If you go online, you're probably going to see some knockoff filters. And for me, refrigerators are so expensive, I'm just going to use the actual LG filter rather than take a chance on a knockoff filter. Okay, there's the 5th time that I filled this container. Let's give this a taste test. Delicious. You can see that replacing this filter was super easy. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the like button, that really helps out our channel. We appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in the next video.